Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a deep dive into something you do every single night, but probably don't think about all that much. We're going to treat your body like the amazing piece of tech it is and check out the user guide for your very own human operating system. Yep, let's talk about sleep. So, have you ever had one of those days where your system is just not running right? Maybe you're lagging a bit in class, your emotional responses are kind of bugging out, making you super irritable, or your focus just keeps crashing. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not some random error. It's actually a system warning, a big one. It's telling you you're probably overdue for a critical update. Okay, let's get into this. I want you to think of your body as the hardware, right? And your brain, that's the super advanced central processor. This whole amazing system runs on this incredibly complex piece of software we're going to call the human OS. And just like your phone or your gaming console, it needs a regular, absolutely essential maintenance cycle to run smoothly. And that maintenance cycle, well, that's called sleep. Now get this, we spend about a third of our entire lives asleep. Now that might sound like a huge amount of downtime, right? A total waste of time. But think about it. Evolution doesn't keep useless features. If sleep wasn't absolutely critical for survival, it would have been patched out of our OS millions of years ago. This isn't downtime, people. It's update time. So let's be super clear about this. Sleep is not your system shutting down. It's actually the opposite. When you're asleep, your body and brain are far from inactive. In fact, they're some of the busiest they'll be all day. It's an active maintenance protocol, and the golden rule for any good technician is you do not interrupt a critical update. So let's start with the central processor, your brain. This is where some of the most important background processes are running during that nightly update. We're talking about a complete system defrag and a total junk file cleanup, and it happens every single night. First up, memory defragmentation. All day long, you're downloading tons of new data, right? Facts from school, a new combo in a video game, conversations with your friends. Well, at night, your brain scans all those temporary files, sorts out what's important from what's just junk, and then it carefully saves those key files to your long-term memory, your hard drive. And this is exactly why pulling an all-nighter to study is actually a terrible, terrible idea. See, without that defrag process, that data never gets properly saved. A good night's sleep is what actually locks in that information, giving you way better recall and faster processing speed for that test the next day. But your brain is also running a deep clean. While you're awake, your processor is running hot, and it generates all these waste products. You can think of them like temporary cache files and digital junk. While you sleep, a special cleaning system kicks on. It finds all this junk and it flushes it out. So what happens when you don't clear the cache on your phone or your computer? We all know the answer to this, right? It gets slow, apps start to freeze up, and everything just feels laggy. Well, the exact same thing happens with your brain. It's really that simple. Without sleep, all that junk builds up. It clogs up your processor, and the direct result is your whole system slows down. Thinking gets harder, and you get that foggy, unfocused feeling. That's literally your brain telling you its cache is full. But the nightly update isn't just for your brain. Not at all. It's a full system patch. It covers your hardware, your body, and all the internal software that controls your emotions and your appetite. During deep sleep, your body gets to work on hardware maintenance. It's repairing tissues from all the daily wear and tear, and it's building muscle, especially if you worked out. At the same time, it's updating your software. It strengthens your immune system, which is basically your body's antivirus program, and it recalibrates the really important hormone drivers that manage your mood, your appetite, and your stress levels. And you can totally feel the difference when these drivers are corrupted. When your hormone software is updated with enough sleep, you're pretty balanced, your appetite is normal, and you can focus. But when you skip that update, those drivers crash. You get irritable, you feel way hungrier than you should, and your focus is just gone. And hey, if you're a teenager, you've got to listen up. Your system, the Human OS version teen, is in the middle of a massive multi-year upgrade. Your growing body and your developing brain need way more time and resources to run these updates properly. For you, skipping sleep isn't just skipping maintenance. It's like interrupting a critical installation. So let's bring this all together. Every time you think about staying up late, you're basically getting a pop-up that asks if you want to skip your system's most important update. And the answer always should be a hard no. When you actually let the update run, this is what your system report looks like in the morning. Your memory files, optimized. Your brain's cache, cleared for faster processing. Your hardware, repaired. and your emotional software balanced and recalibrated. You are literally running a better, faster, stronger version of you. So please remember this. Sleep is not wasted time. It is not lazy. It is productive. It's one of the single most powerful built-in tools your human OS has to keep you running at peak performance. It's the work your brain and body absolutely need to do to keep you healthy. So as you get ready for bed tonight, don't think of it as shutting down. Think of it as booting up your maintenance cycle. Your update is scheduled. The only question left is, what are you going to choose to upgrade? Your memory? Your muscles? Your mood? The choice is all yours. Thanks for tuning in.